All right. Okay, so let's see, where did we leave off last time? So it looks like let's plot this and see what it looks like. That's the graph JSON. That's the tree. Okay, yes, we looked at this. Looks like we're getting all the pieces out of it that we want. That's cool. So where are we at? We have scraped the RPG rules of content. We've kind of organized them. At least we understand how to organize them. We'll have to take more time to do that later. Yeah, we'll probably have to augment and embed them later. We need the inputs. Let's start with just a text version that generates the character. So the first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to find a character sheet. Character creation outline. All right. How detailed do we want to make this part? So we should allow people to choose a couple of things. The only sheet core. All right, let's look at that one. Similar things. Okay. Let's give this one a try. Go to checkout at $0. No. What are we doing here? My last name is M. My address is home. I'll do that. Okie doke. I could do that one. They know me. Boom. Cool. Maybe they'll mail it to me. Bunch of cool stuff there. Doot. I'm gonna check my email for a moment. See what's in there. How do I read XLSBs? Maybe what I gotta do is upload this somehow. Do. Okay. We can do that. And then we'll go to Sheets. See if this works. What is all this stuff? Import, upload. No. Where'd it go? Oh. XLSB. How do you open an XLSB file? Yeah, let's do it. Where'd you go? Toss. View it. I wonder if there's a way to do this on in Python. So there's no. Last updated 22. this free? Oh. Bro. I don't think I need all that, but... Excel. There's like opening things. Excel wings or... Oh, that's easy enough. Let's do Excel wings. Let's do a new folder in here. This is like character sheet. New file. And then we'll move it in. And this thing is called TOS. XLSB. I'm just going to call this your file. Does that really work? Okay. Local application Microsoft Excel.app is not found. Oh, that's probably because I need Excel, huh? Am I really trying to handle that error? I don't care. So that was a bust. Let's try this one. Start a new chat. Let's do it like this. XLSB. See if this works. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Do I have a PyXL installed? Probably not. Saves it. What are the odds it's working? Here's my file.xlsb. Are we doing anything here? Python's working. Oh, it's working hard. All right. Must be something. This must be a difficult conversion. I wonder what it looks like. Preview not available. That's lame. That's crap. I wonder if I have to have Excel to do this. It's pretty lame. Alright, well maybe we just need to find another way to do it. Google spreadsheet templates, hell yeah. Move that over there. Boom, 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 boom. What are we doing? Okay. All right. Wow, there's a lot in here. Oh, this is a lot. Do I want to do all of this? Man. Reference. Maybe I want to do this but make it simpler. View only. Oh, why don't I just make a copy? Let's just. Get rid of that one. This one is garbage. Okay, so we'll just ignore that crap. This will never finish. XLSB. That one was garbage. What was the other one that I put in there? XL wings. Yep. Get rid of those. All right. So I have this. This is a hell of a character template. I don't even know what all this is. This is like how many attacks you can do per round. Ooh, man. I don't even know if this information is in here. Combat. Maybe in combat? Dude, this is a lot. Oh, this is a whole lot. I'm trying to see. Okay, I can make more attacks. Let's see full round actions in order to get more than one attack. Okay, but the question is, I mean, do we even have in here the information that it would take to fill out these columns? And this level plan has got to be specific to the class. So how should I do this? Oh man. So this is all stuff that should be in the game. No, should be in the player guide. Is there like a list of inventory? Equipment. Tons of equipment. Clothing and containers. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we've got a Excel spreadsheet. It's got a bunch of formulas in it for the player stuff. Why don't we just start with the main? What actually is required? Name, race, space. Oh. Reach. Ah, man, that gets real specific. the size table. Here's the size table. Okay. So I've got an Excel spreadsheet that's pretty dope. I think the stuff on this first page is really all I really want. No, I need that, and I need about it. I need the main, and I need the inventory. I mean, ideally, we get all of these things eventually. Oh, for your familiar? Ugh. So, what is it that I want to do here? I think this is what I need to. I think this is what I need to start by filling out. So character creation, let's say the way that it starts, it's got to be, part of it is like deterministic. But do I really want to make like a deterministic like character creator based on this? I could randomly generate stats. What does the user want to pick? Alright. Let's delete all this. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so I got a bunch of rules. It's actually kind of a lot. And it was too much. So I need to streamline it. I could randomly generate. You push a button, it randomly generates, and you just keep going until you get what you want. It could be like choose your race in your class, and then it randomly generates. Maybe you should just choose your your race and your class. And then all of this stuff just gets generated. Race and class will get generated. Yeah. Okay. So let's build an input where, yeah. So let's build a little rag app or a little something where you tell it the race. Yes, let's do this. What is this? Oh, it's pretty cool. Whoa, $85. Okay. Let's start with core classes. And each one so I need to turn this into something. So for each of these, and this is classes, core classes, barbarian. When I cleaned it, what does that look like? Barbarian. All right. For some, there is only rage. Cool. So okay. I don't want to think about character advancement yet. I just want to think about initial character creation. So do I need to link through to these? Do I need to link through to these? If these archetypes, I think, are more than I need. Wow. And there's a lot of subpages here. What does this chart do? Okay, let's just keep it basic. Okay, well, let's just try an experiment here. Let's start a new chat. Okay. So what we'll do, this is the weapon or attack. These are, none of those are, okay. But all of this stuff, okay, so we need to generate, I think these are based on other things. Okay, so I think we need to generate just these. Okay, so I'll give it this, okay, so this is what I need to do. I need to give it, I need to create a data structure that holds like the core attributes. We need to create a data structure that holds the core attributes that are, from which other attributes are derived. And so that's going to be like name, race, class, experience points, all the abilities. Let's make a list here. And one of these, it was like how to create a character. So I think character creation is the way to start. Here's the basics. All right, let's generate. There are a number of different methods. Yes, we'll do that. Ability score costs. Oh, that's cool. I like that. 4d6 add. We're going to do standard. Alright. So I'm going to just create the. Okay. So, what do I want to do here? We can do that later. Okay, there's a lot of detail here. So first we'll do the stats, then we'll hand it this and generate all of the wisdom modifiers, examples, and descriptions. Okay, and this is the ability scores page. Where's my ability scores page? There. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna roll. Okay. What do I want to do here? Oh no, it thinks I'm doing Markdown. Okay, let's do some Python. Boom. Alright, so let's save this puppy. Alright. In story time, let's just create one folder. New folder. We're gonna have to put all these together later. Okay, character creation, and this is gonna be generate abilities. Ability scores. And then let me get the list. All right, so according to these specifications, generate your abilities. Yeah, love it. Boom. So how do I want to... So this will generate the 46, drop lowest, return that for all 6, so I get a list of ability scores. Yeah, that looked good. I'm gonna accept that. And then next I need to do you know what? So once you've generated the scores, next we should choose the race in the class. And then maybe we should do the race in the class first, because and then we can suggest how to distribute these. Common, getting started. All right. We did ability scores. And then, we want, do we do classes next? Yeah. These are the core classes. Alright, so let's do it like this. Those are the core. What are the base classes? Nah. I think this is good enough. Okay. These are the classes. And then races. Let's just do, here's core. One to 10 race points, 11 to 20. What does that mean? What are race points? Racial features. Let's just do the core races. Okay, this is just races. Here's that. That's racial features, core races. What else do I need in these classes? Oh, the classes I should probably put. Okay, so let's do the race first. So I'll take all this stuff. And then we'll create a new thing, and then we'll call it like choose race. Alright, so we got roughly that other thing. We'll add this to our context. Oh, give me back. Alright. So I need to create a data structure to hold the racial. Okay, so to hold the racial features. And an enum for the races. Alright, so I'll have an enum for the races. I'll have okay, cool. No, I just want to copy it. That was silly. Oh yeah, we'll put that in, It's kind of bad the way it does some of this stuff. Let's just reject them. What is going on? Existing code. Well, that doesn't make any sense. We got dwarf elf gnome. We got the half stuff. Features. So what we'll do here, we'll add all of this. Derp. Add anything that comes. So what's the best way to do this? Get racial features. What? Choose race, that's right. Extend the racial features. Features, that's a dictionary. Above. Dwarf, elf, gnome, half elf, halfling, half orc, human. Boom. Copy that. It doesn't do great. So it does these things. Okay, cool. Now each of these, like dark vision, is a link in and of itself. Okay, so here I generate some ability scores. Here's a way to choose the race so I can get the features. Here's a little bit of narrative. I'm going to keep that around. What is this? There is no existing code. Let's erase. Boom. So So all of this is going to go into the prompt. So, okay. So here's the picture. Hi, adventurer, choose your race. Learn more. Here's a little bit more. You can have a natural conversation with them. Then, okay, got your race. Next, choose your class. Okay, it's a good class. Here's your ability scores. Could allow them to re-roll. Sure. Allow to re-roll. Okay. And then use that to compute something about their strength so that you can make the right, give them the right monster. Okay, that's fine. Then at that point, you should be able to print out a whole bunch of information. You should be able to print out a lot of their character sheet. Okay, so let's just do that part first. Okay. Alright. Alright, so here's character creation. Okay, let's deactivate. Where am I in story time? Now I'm gonna go to, character creation. Right. So we create a virtual environment. Source bin activate. Then we're gonna pip install. We're gonna use Anthropic. Do we want to do this in the Jupyter Notebook? Yes. So go to get Anthropic. What else do we need? We're gonna plot anything? No. Oh. Let's create the image. Yeah, let's create the image. So we replicate. Pretty sure it's just replicate. Pip install. Pip install replicate. Dope. Spin up a Jupyter Notebook. Fantastic. New Python 3. We will. So these are our races here. Here is the racial descriptions. It's a long string. I should put those spaces back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that one. So those are descriptions for the races. What else do we need? Let's do a new file. Game Master Player Creation. So here, so I need a system description for Game Master that's like helping to build out. Let's look at the game mastering. So to what extent maybe I shouldn't use it like this. Let's look at the outline. So here's character creation. Scripts, cleaned, character creation. Dice, character sheet, ability scores. So we need, let's get rid of that. Oh, let's do this somewhere new. Don't save that. Okay, so they're going to do this, that. I'm not going to do those. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Start by generating this. And here we'll actually change the order. Race, class, ability scores. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Determine ability scores. 1. Start by generating your character's ability scores. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this. I'm going to edit it down to what I want the actual like game master to do in this section. And I want to get rid all. Get rid of the hyperlinks. Just leave the text there and get rid of the URL. Alright, so this one looks good. I don't see any changes there. actually let's just accept these. Okay, code. Where'd it go? Untitled 1. Game master. Instructions for player build. Start by generating their ability scores. No, this is 3. So this, we'll get rid of this for a second. These 2 goes first. We'll do the classes. No, it didn't do all of these. Okay, I'll have to go through these and do them one at a time. First I'll clean it up. Okay, so we'll ignore this first. Choose a race, choose a class. So we're looking for 5. This is choose feats. Third-party classes, core classes. So it's race and then class, and then feats. But before feats, we do the ability scores. Choose the race. Here's some ability score bonuses for that. Choosing a class. Don't know if I want to change that. Okay, so we're just going to use these. I see, so it just kind of doubled up. Core classes. And then we'll get rid of all of these. Core classes. So we already kind of these are the people. Oh, here's the classes. Yeah. So here's the core classes. Still thinks it's marked down for some reason. It always thinks it's marked down because it is. Okay, no, let's actually just make it marked down. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. we just turn this into a table, markdown table. Yeah, like that. That looks good. Somehow this got messed up. Okay, fine. Alright, so game master instructions. First we're going to choose a race up here. Then we're going to choose a class. Those are the important parts for people. From there we could just do the stats over and over again. There's no such thing as prestige classes. Don't bring them up. Oops. That's just the same thing. Oh, this is because of my edit. Determine. So campaign type. This is deterministic because I'm using that thing. These 6 scores determine their most. So I'm going to determine the attribute scores and the campaign type. I'm going to do this together. So like they hit boom, boom, boom to get new attribute scores. Then you add all this thing up in the table, and that gives you what that is. Okay. This is deterministic. Okay. Variety of details and statistics. You will depending on the characters. Okay, on the character scores you accept, from low to epic fantasy. Okay, so we got a race that gave us some bonuses. We got some core classes. classes, then you, okay, so this, you get your attribute. Then after that is the skills. Class skills. Refer to the skills summary table. And that we're going to have to link to. How can I do that? I'll figure that out in a bit. Each level based on your intelligence. Okay. Class skills. What classes are there here that I'm going to go with? There's not all of them. Some of these are not in my list. So maybe I should do, I think skills and furthermore should be split out, because by this time you know, yeah, I think the skills are going to be separate, because you got class, skills, each class and race have their own skills and feats and stuff like that. So that's, I think that's this. Okay, so these are the game master instructions. Next, so we'll do separate things for skills and feats. And then after that, we'll get equipped. This they don't need to do anything for, I don't think. So it'll be like that. X. To build character sheet. So this is part 1. This is all just copy pasted from other stuff. I don't need that. I got that. Player creation, we'll work on that in a bit. Here's some race information. I don't know if that'll actually be useful. This will be. This stuff we're going to have to do a different way. Let's just sort this too. Low to high, that's fine. So that's that. That's that. And the player creation stuff. Oh no, get rid of that. Let's save this. So first we got game master, player build. These are the skills. These titles are too long. Game Master. Player stat. No, not just the stats though. This is like attributes, abilities. Player build, or just call it player build 1. And I'll rename this one. Player build 2. Alright, so 1 and 2. Okay, so we'll have them choose the race, choose the class, get their attribute scores, then skill ranks. So we're going to have to do separate ones for each. So we're going to need to do this for each, I think it's each class. Skill ranks. So it's class and intelligence. So this is deterministic. That's good. So we'll use this. Okay. All right. So let me make some notes before we go on. Notes. So let's see, for skill ranks. Got that. And then feats. So we're going to do this. Yeah. Hit points. Okay, so let me just start like that. Yep, okay. So we need to compute the number of skill points to distribute, then distribute them. And then for feats, then you just like similar. So these are specific to the race and class. Okay. So we'll do that next. But now I think we have enough to do player build of first part. And I don't want to be looking at that. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to pause here, and then when I come back, I'm going to use, I'm going to build I'm going to pause here, and then when I come back, I'm going to use Anthropic language model to create a conversational version of building the race, class, and the abilities to determine what level of fantasy it is. Good. All right, back in a bit.